Hi everyone, today we are comparing two popular travel cards in Canada, the TD First Card Travel Visa Infinite Card and the Aeroplan Card. Let's see which one fits your travel needs better. First of all, the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card. It offers up to 80,000 TD rewards points as a welcome bonus and earns you 9 points per dollar spent on Expedia for TD purchases. You also earn 3 points per dollar on everyday purchases and get travel insurance benefits like trip cancellation and rental car coverage. This card is great if you value flexible travel rewards, as TD rewards points can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or even statement credits. Next, the aeroplane card. It provides up to 50,000 aeroplane points as a welcome bonus and earn 1.5 points per dollar on gas, groceries, and Air Canada purchases. You also get 1 point per dollar on other spending. This card shines for frequent Air Canada travelers, offering benefits like free checked bags, preferred boarding, and aeroplanes extensive travel partner network. Now, the key differences. The TD first class travel card is better for general travel flexibility and higher reward rates on travel purchases. Meanwhile, the airplane cards excels for Air Canada perks and those who prefer redeeming aeroplane points for flights. So, which card is right for you? It's depend on your travel habits. Let us know your pick in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.